Hi, this is Amazing Kent. I would like to share with you how to create this dynamic office stem, right? So, for example, I change this and notice that this stem, right, the value will change, and same goes to the cost name as well, right? So let's say I'll just say motivations, right? Amazing motivation cost, right? And the change, right? And same goes with the name as well. So let's head over to create this. So just go to Insert tab and I choose illustrations, right? Under the shape, unpick this. So I'm just create a few of them, right? So one, two, three, and so on. And I'll just put some data right here. Okay. So these three are about the same shape, right? And then I go to format, go to remove the shape fill and the shape outline, right? I remain it, right? And then I duplicate this again, right? And just put right here, right on top. Okay. So you can adjust it so it seems like right on top, right? Then after that, adjust it. Okay, or maybe just this. Depend on your preference. Alright, next I'll just copy and paste it right here. Maybe just big a bit. Alright, and that's complete this circle shape. Right. Next, I'm gonna put this some wording. Right. So I'm gonna put a word amazing Josie right here. So I'm gonna just put F2 equal, click on this, and you have that value. And then um, but I wanted to automatically refer it as capital letter, right? Regardless of what the user enters. So I'm going to use the upper. So I have this. So instead of referring to this, right, I'm just using this to this. So I can see that, right? And I just change it bigger, right? Oh, but that actually doesn't matter, right? Next, I go to format, text effect, transforms, this one, right here, and then I just change it, adjusting it bigger, right? And then I'm just maybe bigger bit, right? So right there, right there. So I just put right here. You can see that it works as an A, right? Hmm. Okay. See the power? Now I'm just it's just a bit more, and just try to feel more, right? And I have this, right? So if I change this name to awesome, you can see that right there, right there. You change that, okay? And I want to put this for this bottom, right? So I'm just change that to say, yeah, same thing, right? F2 equal to this value. Then um well, it's the same thing, right? So if you want to make it capital letter, you can use the same method. So go to format, right? Text. This time I'm going to use this arc down. I can see that arc down right here. Adjust the size, right? It's over here, right? You can't see it, right? Oh, that doesn't matter. Oh, just go to this. Awesome. Change it to shake view. Nothing. Same goes to this. Can you see that? right here, right? Effect. I can also make it to no outline. So right here, right, uh, I have this. I think this is just great, right? Just great. It's amazing, right? Now, good. I want to put right in the middle, so I just go to instead again, illustrate, shape. Look at rectangle. So click on this. F2 equal to this, right? It's got great, and yeah, we can just adjust it, right? Mm, right here, hmm right there, good. So good. Then you can also have another one, right? Then here you change it to the state, then so I have this state here, right? And that's about it, right? And that's how we create a chart like this, right? And then you can just put this thing right in the. Wait, there is a circle, right? I don't think you needed this. Yes, beautiful, right? Go to the View tab and check grid lines. Beautiful piece of office stamp, right? And you can make a further improvement, right? And thank you very much, right? So believe in the right things, think amazing, think amazing, right? And then believe that you are amazing and you can do amazing things. Thank you.